I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, check right now. Did you subscribe? If you subscribed, just subscribe. Today I'm doing a wig review because that's what you're here for. I'm doing another Vella Vella wig review. I think I might have done 2 maybe Vella Vellas, but this one is Super DIONE, and I have in the color 2R4/27/30, so it's a number 4 with a little 27 auburn situation, as well as a 30, which is a medium light brown. She comes in a lot of colors. Heat safe up to 400 degrees. It says that it's a deep lace parting, hand tied, and shiftable, so it just means like the ear tabs aren't super hard, so you can shift it back and forth, similar to the Free Tress Equal, and other ones have that too. It says it's tangle free, we'll see. And I got it from Wig Types for $19.28. I mean, I don't know what you think. Do you think it's possible for a wig to be like completely tangle free? I don't think so. She's a light yaki texture. Colors down here reminds me of Janet Collection's Daisy. You see there's like that 1, 2, 3. So I thought it was a blend, but it's not. Here's the 27, okay? Here's the 30, here's the 4. I kind of actually really like that. Number 4 in the root. Nice parting. 2 combs in the front. This is hard lace. This is hard lace. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. I can't remember what the wig cap is like on a Vella Vella. This is not a large wig cap. I'll tell you that right. No, this is not a large wig cap. Ooh, I do love the texture of this. The one thing I do have to say about the hard lace is that if you are wearing wigs, potentially because you are doing any type of treatment, whether it's a treatment for alopecia, any type of chemo cancer treatments, and you have a sensitive scalp, which some people do, I really caution you about getting wigs with really hard lace because they can irritate. I don't have overly sensitive skin, although right here where I keep burning myself, but they can really irritate your scalp. So please just keep that in mind. If it is hard lace, you may want to skip it. Oh yeah, she's about 22 inches. I like the color so much. And I love these like crazy 90s colors. This yaki just reminds me a lot of some of those Janet Collection wigs that I love. Noelle, Felicia, there's a bunch of them that have that yaki texture. Taylor, like you still have a lot to work with in terms of the lace to customize that. I guess there's baby hairs there. I probably cut most of them off. So let's see, this is the, oh, it has bendable ear tabs, which is really cool. So let's see her. This is her on the right. Okay. This is her on the left. So it's saying it's shiftable. I'm not saying it's not shiftable, but it's definitely most comfortable in the middle. But if you hate a middle part, that may be a non-issue for you, and you're fine with that. I just think with the harder lace, it's just most comfortable in the middle, but you know, you can shift it. All right, let me get this chick together and then we'll see what we're talking about. I did pluck a little bit out of the part. That's my personal pressures. I've had so much coffee. There's no reason for all this. That's just my personal preference. I did set the part down, or I did set it down a little bit. I want to maybe do a little bit more, but I think it's pretty nice. This texture is freaking everything. Everything. It's new when I got her. I would love her. Sometimes you know that, sometimes you don't. I would almost like to get her like in a darker version too. But I'm loving this coloring. I die for a 27, so. If you normally like 27s, I think the way that this is just darker underneath, but the most of it is 27, I think you would really love it. I'm gonna tangle a little bit because it's super long, but not much if you keep on it. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, movement is awesome. I really love this. I really, really love this. I think this is a great wig. It is a smaller wig cap, so that's just is what it is. If you're someone who wants a small wig cap, this would be the one for you. But yeah, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. I'm excited to wear this again. Is there another Vella Vella wig that you would like to see a review on, or that you suggest? Put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.